Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at United Health. We are focusing on the short time frame this time, since I already posted an update a couple of days ago where I covered the entire chart and nothing regarding that has changed. And yeah, in this area though, we have been tracking three scenarios, and yeah, I will discuss two of them in this video. Firstly is the idea that we could have completed the fourth wave here, and even with this break that below the support zone in white that we have been following for over 2 months at this point, it is still possible that we go directly higher. That was a zone that provided us insight into the fact that the probabilities are quite high that we go at least in another wave to the upside and find some decent profits. Yeah, so usually in these support zones, the likelihood that another move to the upside comes is much higher, and also there is the fact that the invalidation point would be pretty low compared to other trading strategies where you would enter in, say, a breakout instead of such a pullback. But the idea is that upside is still possible. It is possible even to go in a 1, 2, 3 and go to new all-time highs in the fifth wave in green. It is also possible, and maybe more likely now, that this is rather an A, B, C, because to be honest, B waves can overshoot, and that's not just to the upside, they can overshoot to the downside as well. But the reality is that the likelihood that we are going directly higher decreased significantly with this push, this latest development to the downside, and I am considering more heavily now the idea that we are in the fifth wave to the downside. And how would such a fifth wave look? Well, we are looking for an ABC pattern, so maybe an ABC to complete it, since the entire move to the downside in this A wave would be a diagonal pattern. Now, so far in this move to the downside, I would say that we either completed or nearly completed the A wave. And this would be in yellow, so this will continue as the yellow scenario from now on. And within this A wave, so far I can see maybe an A, B, C that would look like this, where the A wave is a 3-wave pattern and the C wave will be a 5-wave pattern. And within this C wave, I would actually expect maybe one more low to complete a clear 5-wave move, and I will make this yellow, and a break above the 50% retracement level would be a first indication that this C wave might have already ended here, and that we are either going higher in the B wave, or it is still possible that this was the fourth and the fifth, and we only completed this B wave. With the completion of this C wave, it is still possible that we go directly higher in the C wave. Now, as you can see, I even mentioned in some of the first few videos that the green support zone here, the green support line, could provide significant support even with a break below the white support zone, because the green support zone is actually much stronger. I mean, look at what kind of a movement the green support zone stopped. So we can expect at least some retracement from somewhere in this area, even if we don't actually go directly higher in the C wave and we only go to, let's say, somewhere in the 50% region or something like that in the B wave. But that's about it for this video. So these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover. I'll do my best to keep you updated on this chart and the others that I'm covering, and I hope you have a nice day and to see you in the next video. Bye bye.